Hey y'all, let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today. Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. Today we're in the kitchen. You see I have my apron on and I am busy in the kitchen baking. I'm baking a cake. I'm baking a pumpkin poke cake. You know how we like a good poke cake over here at Memaw's house. This one is for the fall season. So go ahead, get yourself comfortable, get some coffee, some tea, or something, and enjoy today's video. So I will list the ingredients that we'll be using in this cake, and I will also put them in the description box below. We'll need 4 eggs, 1 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of oil, 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and then for the actual caramel sauce, we'll put a caramel sauce that's pre-made, and these are the items for the icing. A block of cream cheese, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and a container of whipped cream. Now we'll get started by putting all of our dry ingredients into a bowl. Now that all of the dry ingredients are in the bowl, we're going to go ahead and whisk it so that I can incorporate some air and break up any clumps that may be in the flour or the baking soda and get all of that incorporated well together. Now into the bowl with the sugar, I'm going to add the wet ingredients. And I forgot when I listed my ingredients to add my teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to start mixing those ingredients and add the eggs one at a time. Now that all the wet ingredients have been incorporated, I'm going to just add my dry ingredients and mix until everything is together. Now that my batter is complete, I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my parchment-lined 9 by 13 sheet cake pan. But before I do that, I'm going to spray a little bit of Pam on that because I want to make sure that that cake does not stick. Okay, it's ready to go into the oven. Hey y'all, so the cake is in the oven and it's going to bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'll look at it at about 25 minutes so I can check to see if it's done. I don't want to over bake it because I don't want it to be dry. It has been 30 minutes and my cake is done. I'm going to take it out and let it cool for another 30 minutes or so. Okay, y'all, so the cake is cool, and I usually poke it with a wooden spoon, but I have a straw here, and it's actually pushing the cake up into the straw so that I can leave good-sized holes to have my caramel drip down into. You can do this with a wooden spoon. You can do it with a straw like I'm doing it. You can do it however you want it, as long as you get those holes in the cake. Now it's time to pour the caramel sauce over the cake. Make sure that it's getting into those holes because it's going to really make your cake nice and moist. Now that the caramel is on the cake, I'm going to go ahead and put together my frosting. My frosting includes that cream cheese that's been sitting at room temperature. I'm going to just beat that just a little just to incorporate some air and get it fluffy. Then I will add my powdered sugar. Now it's time for the whipped topping. Remember, don't add too much powdered sugar because the whipped topping has sugar in it as well. And we want to get this mixed together well. And as simple as that, it's all done. I've transferred my cake onto a cake board that's been covered, and I'm going to go ahead and ice my cake. Now that the cake is all iced, you can go ahead and decorate it however you like. If you'd like to put some sprinkles on it, you can. If you'd like to put some words on it, you can. I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle some of the caramel on mine, going 2 ways. And then I'll put a little bit of pumpkin pie spice on it as well. You can add nuts to this or anything that you would like. Chocolate chips would actually be good too, because you know pumpkin and chocolate goes well together. And there she is. Now it's time to cut the cake. Y'all see my taste tester standing by. She's waiting for her piece of cake. And we're going to cut it and let her taste it. Okay, y'all, so my taste tester is here. Go ahead, Pate, let's get a taste.
I can taste the pumpkin. The frosting is good. It's nice and moist. This is good for me.
It's good for you?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, y'all, so you heard my taste tester. What else can be said? The cake looks very moist, and I'm going to taste mine when I get ready to have my dessert after dinner. Today we're having a good old-fashioned Sunday dinner, and I want to leave room for all of that. So I want you to give this recipe a try. And when you do, comment down below whether it was good for you and how good it was. So y'all be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to post 2 other videos here for you to go out and watch. If you have seen them, go look for some others on my channel. If you haven't, take a look at them. I hope you enjoy them. Y'all be blessed. Bye.